Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our treetop earrings. These earrings are made using basic right angle weave to create an adorable little bead woven tree that's perfect for the holiday season. To make these earrings, you're going to need 6 of these 3mm sunflower Swarovski crystal bicone beads, and then 6 of the 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, and the 6mm Olivine Swarovski crystal bicone beads, and then 2 of these light smoke topaz Swarovski crystal bicone beads, a pair of the 17mm base metal flat French ear wires with coil, about 6 feet of your clear FireLine braided bead thread, a size 12 beading needle, and Zuron thread and fiber scissors. And you can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to start, you want to thread your needle with about 3 feet of your beading thread. And then you want to string 1 of the 6mm light smoke topaz bicone beads, and then 3 of these 6mm Olivine bicone beads. Okay, and then you just want to bring it down thread, leaving about a 6-inch tail. Okay, and then you just want to go back through all 4 beads. And then just pull tight, and that's going to create just 1 circle unit there. And then I'm just going to go through all the beads again just to reinforce. Okay, and so you want to be going out this bead here so that the light smoke topaz bicone is on the bottom. So just string through your beads until you're coming out this bead here. Okay, so there's your first little circle unit using your 6mm bicone beads. And now we want to move on to the 5mm. So we're now just going to string 3 5mm Olivine bicone beads. And then you go through that 6mm bicone bead. We're just going to form another circle unit here with our 5mm and then the 1 6mm. Then I'm just going to go back through all the beads again just to reinforce so it's nice and sturdy. Okay, and you want to be going out, again, you want to be going out this top bead here. So just string through your beads until you're going out that top 5mm bicone. Okay, so now you have your 2 units here. And now we're going to move on to the 4mm. So again, you just take 3 of the beads, string 3 4mm, Then you're just going to go back through that 5mm bead, pull tight. That's going to create another unit. Just going to go through those again, just to reinforce. Okay, and then you want to be coming out this top bead here, because we're going to want to add another row. Okay, so now we want to move on to the 3mm Bicone beads. So once you're coming out that top 4mm bead, string 3 3mm Olivine Bicone beads, and then go back through 4mm, pull tight, and again just go through all of those again. Okay, then just go through those 3mm beads until you get to that top 3mm bead. And then once you're coming out that bead, we're going to add what will kind of be the star of this tree. And that's going to be these 3mm sunflower Bicone beads. So just string 3 of those. And again, just go back through that 3mm Olivine Bicone bead, creating another unit. Go through all those beads again. And you just want to be coming out that last 3mm Bicone bead on the top here. So there you have your tree all woven up using the right angle weave technique. And so now we just want to add our ear wire. Just grab an ear wire, and we're not going to open up this loop at all. We're just going to string through it. So go ahead and string through the loop of the ear wire, and then you're going to go back through 3mm bead on top, okay, and we're just going to want to repeat that a few times. So go through the loop and back through, Bicone bead, pull tight, okay, one more time, through the loop, back through the bicone bead. Pull tight. Okay, and that's just going to secure that ear wire to your bead woven tree. And now we just want to go back down your beadwork. A little bit just to reinforce and secure your thread. Just kind of go back down row by row. And you can do this as many rows as you want, or as much as you want, until your bead woven piece is as stiff as you want it. You don't want it too stiff to where you can't get your needle through the beads. But just kind of go through and reinforce. You can see it's still a little bit flimsy here. You want it to be nice, kind of more stiff like this earring here. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep weaving through my right angle weave a little bit just to reinforce it a little bit more, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished weaving through my beadwork here just to reinforce it and make it a little more stiff, just so it lays properly. So now you just need to use your zero thread and fiber scissors and just trim the tails of your thread as close to the beadwork as you can. Okay, and there you have one earring complete. And then you, of course, just want to repeat all of that for your other earring. And then you'll have a fun and festive pair of treetop earrings to wear for the holiday season. You can find all of the tools and materials to make these earrings at fusionbeads.com.